Hello guys, hope you all are doing great. In today's video we are going to discuss more about the supplement called Meticore, why Meticore is now number one in the market. So each and everything we are going to discuss in detail. So if you are new to this channel, I request you to please subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any next notification from our end. Why? Because we are going to do in-depth reviews on both physical as well as on digital products. So is Meticore worth buying? Let's know more. If you are looking for a supplement that promotes a healthy metabolism along with natural fat burning and weight loss, look no further than Meticore. This supplement is uniquely formulated with potent superfoods to increase metabolism, which is often caused by a low core body temperature due to age. So you would be finding a lot many reviews on the internet regarding Meticore supplement. So there are a lot many scams in it, and why people are doing this I'm going to explain further. But in our channel, what we do is we just suggest you to get these products from an official website. So once you go and grab this product or buy this product, we would be getting some kind of commission to us. We would be like posting official links in our descriptions. You can go and buy this product, and in return we would be getting a small commission from the company. Okay, it won't be costing you extra, or it won't be like kind of any scam. Just it would be helping you to get a genuine product from the market. So we are going to take a look at our third top fat burner supplement, Meticore. Meticore is one of the only metabolism boosting product that is packed with powerful and potent super nutrients and that are effective in raising the core body temperature. When you are taking this on a daily basis, this supplement can help anyone achieve their weight loss goals. So by taking Meticore as a daily supplement, enhances energy and promotes fat loss by boosting the metabolism. Okay, a properly functioning metabolism uses calories for energy instead of storing them for fat. So there are few subscribers who know already about Meticore, so they would like to know how to buy Meticore from an official website or a genuine product. So what I've said you earlier, we are going to promote it in our description. Okay, once you get this product, we also get some kind of commission from the company. So I request you to get a genuine and original product from the market. Okay, and what is Meticore? So lot many people would be having a question in their mind, what is Meticore? So Meticore is a diet pill that jumpstarts the metabolism by increasing body temperature, and this promotes weight loss as a faster and more consistent pace. You know, as we get older, our ability to maintain an efficient core body temperature decreases. Okay, there are many studies that have proven correlation between metabolism and core body temperature. More often than not, low core body temperatures cause the metabolism to slow down and work less efficiently. According to the Meticore, you know, both men and women can increase their core body temperature by taking the supplement regularly. Okay, so but my suggestion is men and women age 40 plus can take this for sure, but before taking you can consult your doctor, okay, and take a suggestion from them. So if you have a slow metabolism, the first step is to correct the underlying cause. In this instance, it means increasing a low core body temperature with a healthy regulated core temperature. It's much easier to achieve healthy weight loss A proper core temperature may also improve joint mobility, increase sleep quantity and quality, improve hair and skin health, and reduce inflammation. When taking regularly, Meticore works as a morning metabolic trigger. It boosts the metabolic rate and shifts the way the body produces and uses energy. This is all possible due to the fat burning weight loss ingredients that are used in the formula. So what are the benefits of Meticore? There are hundreds of fat burners on the market, but Meticore is one of the highest quality supplement available today. This product is worth considering because it is simulate free. It doesn't contain any artificial stimulants in order to trigger a sustained weight loss. It is 100% natural and vegetarian friendly, and it contains non-GMOs or other additives. It also has no tolerance for forming tendencies. This means it's highly unlikely that you'll build a physical or dietary tolerance to Meticore. And it is tested by an independent third-party lab for potency and purity. In addition to being able to increase core body temperature in order to increase metabolism, Meticore may also help to regulate blood sugar levels while also supporting heart, brain and joint health. This supplement is manufactured and produced in the USA and is FDA approved. Meticore is produced in a GMP certified facility, which means it's processed under strict and safe standards. Okay, I'll mention the ingredients what all included in this Meticore in the description. You can please go and check with that. Also, I would be dropping my link, my official link in the description. Guys, please do buy from that link. Why? Because it would be helping for me to get a coffee. Okay, if you buy Meticore from that. So at last, is it worth buying? I go with number one. Yes, it is worth buying. You can also search in the market. There are a lot many people have produced good reviews. Okay, so I request you to get this supplement for sure and make use of it to lose your weight. Okay, official link in the description, guys. Okay, don't forget to get me a coffee. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.